This is my favorite wig of all time. Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ekuebiema and you're welcome to join this family by subscribing to the channel down below. Today we are installing a new wig. The wig is from Luvme. So this wig is their all-day comfort wig, Glueless 7x6 closure HD lace loose body wave long wig pre-cut lace. I'll put the name and the link of the wig in the description box below for you guys. Now without further ado, let's get into the wig install. One thing I love about Luvme is their packaging is always so tea. So we have the hair in here. This is the hair itself. It looks like it's already styled. Wow. What do we have in here? There's a hair clip in here, and then there's an edge brush, and then a tail comb. There's also a wig cap here. This is HD wig cap. The wig cap is thin and soft, transparent, and also breathable, and it's 2 pieces inside. And there's this beautiful bag that I can keep the wig and also all the items in. Now let's get into the hair itself. This is how the wig comes right out of the box. This is very beautiful. Let me take the knit of the wig. This lace is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and also pre-plugged. It looks so good. Look at how good the lace looks like. And like I mentioned earlier, this is a 7x6 closure HD lace. There's also a smart clip here for you to adjust to your head shape. For me, my head is small, so I'm putting it on the last clip here. Also, there is a C part for your ears. So you know, normally when you wear a wig and then the wig will be hurting your ears, Luvme has made this C-shaped ear tap for you so that when you wear the wig, your ears will not be hurting. I think this is such an innovative thing to do, because I really hate it when I wear a wig and my hair starts to ache because the wig is too tight, or it's not tight enough, or when it starts to hit my ears. Also, the wig cap is breathable and very stretchy in all angles, and this will also help fit all head shapes. So if you struggle to get the perfect wig for your hair shape, try this one from Luvme Hair. Now let's go ahead and put this wig on, because I cannot wait to see how it looks on me. I'm not a big fan of the board cap method, but I'm going to go ahead and put on one of the HD laces they provided. This one looks very different. This one looks like a net. Okay, it's very sheer and it's not thick. Look at how thin this is. Do you guys see that? So I'm going to put this on and then put the wig on my head. So now that I'm done putting a little bit of foundation on the lace, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the band just to make sure it fits my head perfectly. I'm not trying to do too much. I'm not going to put any lace glue on this because this is a glueless wig. They practically did all the job for me. I do not need to do too much, okay? So do you guys see how it sits directly behind my ear, not on top of my ear? This is what I was talking about earlier. Normally you see that the wig will be sitting on top of your ear. After a few minutes or hours, your ears start to hurt, but with this wig they've already done the job for you, so you don't need to worry about your ears paining you or you getting a headache from wearing the wig for too long. Okay, so this is how the wig looks like. The lace extends all the way from here to this side, which means you can have like a middle part, a zigzag style. You can also do like this style. You can also do this style like the C part or the side part on this side of your face, because for me, I think this part of my face looks more better than this side, so I think I will change the C pattern to this side for this side to be more exposed and this side will be covered. You guys get it? This is how the back also looks like. Do you guys see how the lace just vanishes after just using one layer of foundation on it? Like, I can't even see the lace. Do you see the lace? The trick is to use a foundation one shade darker than your natural skin tone, and it will just blend into your skin like seamlessly. Do you guys see how this has just blended into my skin? I'm going to put a little bit here, even though I'm going to change the pattern, just to show you guys how easy it is to put this wig on. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this side to make it a little bit more flat, and then change the style. Do you guys see how easy it is to flat iron this wig? Because the quality is so good, you don't really have to do too much, okay? This is how the wig looks like. We're just putting foundation on it and just flat ironing this side. You guys can tell that the only thing that I did was just comb the curls out. This is my favorite wig of all time because the quality of this hair is insane. Look at how the curls just bounces. It's so pretty. After combing it, it looks so pretty, and then you can just twist it like this and the curls are back. And I love the length so much. This is like 18 inches. It's just like the right amount of inches for me, and the density is also perfect for me. So this is how it looks like after switching the pattern. So I tried to do a little bit of edges over here. I also used my natural hair to do this edge here, but this is how the wig looks like. Just to prove to you guys that I did not use any glue on this wig, this is how good the lace is. I feel like it looks so much better on me now that it's on my right side. I really love this wig, guys. This wig is so beautiful. I don't really know how to curl wigs and style wigs, so I really love the fact that this wig holds the curls really well, because I haven't done any extra curling. The curls are still eating so bad, and I love it so much. I love that for myself. I love it. And this is how it looks like once again, from the back, from the side, and also on this side. If you enjoyed this install, make sure to leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to use my code EQUIA to get 28% off the original price. And I'll see you in my next reinstall. Mwah! Bye.